Does Pilates work? Millions say yes. Does Pilates work even if you're terribly out of shape? Does it work if you have had an injury or you have bad knees? Billions of people have discovered that Pilates seems to be good of whatever else you. It may not be miracle cure for every ailment, but ask anyone who's been doing Pilates regularly. Does Pilates work? You are bound to get a resounding yes. Pilates started out as an exercise only wealthy people could afford because it was done on expensive machine called a reformer. Joseph Pilates designed the machine to be used for over 100 different movements. Each movement uses your body's weight as resistance and offers equal intensity through both sides of each movement. Work opposing muscle groups equally. Does Pilates work to help strengthen muscles? Yes, it does. So without building muscle bulk that bodybuilders go for, because the movements don't have to be repeated many times for you reap the full benefits. There is no bulky muscle building involved. Rather, Pilates lengthens and turns the muscles, which actually makes them smaller and denser. Do the exercise if you have had an injury. Pilates is renowned for helping prevent injury, and even those who have already suffered back, knee and joint injuries can find slow and smoothing movements of Pilates. It will help strengthen the muscles around those joints. It's a low impact workout, so there is no strain or pressure put on joints. This minimizes the risk of someone injuries themselves again. It really help you improve your posture like you have heard, because Pilates strengthens the core muscles of abdomen and lower back. The entire body is better supported. This can help someone who's been doing Pilates workouts walk taller and hold themselves straighter. Does Pilates work to improve all the body's systems? While this might seem to be a far-fetched claim, think about all that Pilates does. It strengthens the core muscles that support not only the spine but surroundings the body's organs and holds them firm. So not only posture improved, but because the entire abdominal wall is stronger, offer more support for your internal organs. People who do Pilates benefit from the deeper breathing of the exercise and controlled breathing and movements. So not only are your organs better supported, breathing is improved, which help put more oxygen into your bloodstream. It's starting to get easier to see how Pilates can improve your overall health, isn't it? Does Pilates work if you are really out of shape? Yes. The beauty of Pilates is that it doesn't take long, grueling workout session to see benefits. A person who hasn't exercised in a long time can start doing just 5 or 10 minutes of Pilates movement at a time. Because of the great strengthening benefit of Pilates, even a beginner can increase the time spent working out quite rapidly. Does Pilates work? Try it yourself. You will be able to answer that much faster than you think.